Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows search not working in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Services, open Services. Now in this list, double click on Windows search. Startup type select Automatic, then click on Apply, then OK. Now right click on it and click on Refresh. Now close it and click on Start again. Type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now type PowerShell, press enter. Now copy and paste this command line. I will give in description. Right click in top side and edit, then paste. Now press enter. If this command line is not work, so try another one. Copy this second command line and paste here and press enter. Now wait for a while. So it's mean this command line is working. That's the reason it's highlighted in blue color. Now you will see this color is changed. So it's mean it's work. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps, we can fix Windows search. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.